Okay, so this is day 10. Is it 10? Yeah, it's day 10. My hair is a hot mess. I just came in from the gym, so it is kind of moist at my scalp. It's still shiny though. It's dry but soft. What's up, beauties? I'm Micheline here, and in this video I'll just be sharing with you guys what I've been going through in regards to my hair, editing, video recording, etc. I am going to retwist my hair. I don't even think I'm gonna apply any leave-in conditioner because my hair doesn't really need it. Let's get to this. So, oh, look how shiny my hair is. Wow, shine galore. We're gonna go in with some Eco Styler gel. My lips are dry. And I'm just gonna go along the length of the hair, all the way to the roots. I'm not applying anything but gel. I find that I don't really need to apply a lot of extra product to my hair because once I do it the first time, first of all, I go really heavy-handed, as you guys know. I just put on a little bit extra so that over time, the extra is soaked up and I know that I put on enough as opposed to not enough. That is what I normally do. But yeah, this is how I refresh my hair in the week. It doesn't take me a long time because I'm not creating new parts. I'm not having to do a bunch of detangling. It's just opening up the twists, making them into 2 or 3 extra twists, and allowing my hair to hang and dry. Since we got some twist maintenance going on here, I have come to the conclusion that I have 2 hair goals right now. Just 2. The first one is I have to start doing my hair a little bit more often. I had gotten to a point where I was very lazy when it came to my hair. I would wash it and leave it for like 3 weeks. I would allow it to get matted, knotted, and I started to not care about length or health. Deep conditioning became a hassle, an annoyance. Doing any teas or any extra stuff was like extra. Hence why there was no videos for a while. It's like, yo, it's just hair. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of doing all this. I got tired of length, the idea of long hair. It just, it annoyed me. Oh, this one's not parted well. Well, now I gotta leave it. It was taking away time from me in regards to being able to do other things that I loved. That was something I was experiencing all of last year, maybe even the year before, which was annoying because it started right after I started my channel. And I'm like, damn, like, why am I going through this? But I realized it wasn't even the hair. It was other stuff that was happening that started to affect my desire for doing my hair. And it became work more than it became fun. When it becomes a chore, it is no longer fun and I ain't doing it. If it's extra, just call it extra. Me, I do it. And I'm not doing it. That's what happened. I went through that phase and I am coming out of it. I'm not fully out of it yet, but I'm definitely coming out of it. My hair growth journey, doing my hair was therapeutic to me. Learning, researching, watching different videos, and just growing, and the whole journey from however short my hair was. I think it was like a good maybe 4 or 5 inches to whatever length. That journey was fun, and then my next journey was learning how to make videos and share what I do and That journey was fun initially until it became annoying. And annoying because it became work, and I'm like, yo, I like this. Me not like it. I did not. So now that I'm a little bit past that, editing is fun now again. Editing is definitely fun now again. Doing my hair is now becoming a little bit more therapeutic versus a form of work. The number 2 thing that I have to do more often is stretch my hair. Stretch my hair. Especially in the middle of my head. I'm so glad I picked up the Revere blow dryer because that is going to help with that process and that commitment to keeping my hair stretched out more, and also doing more trims. I don't do a lot of trims, and that's not even because I try to hold on to length. In fact, I'm actually pro cutting. I don't think I pay enough attention to my ends when it comes to, it needs to be clipped or it needs to be cut the way I used to, because I used to just do my hair and go. Like, I'm not looking at the ends like, I don't inspect my ends enough at all. So that's probably number 3. There we go. Inspect my ends a little bit more. I just continue to retwist my hair by adding gel to the length of the hair, smoothing out the hair, detangling it, making sure it's nice and smooth, straight, detangled, and twisted to my heart's content. For future reference, I will be making videos in regards to my new wash day routine, styling routine, how I plan on keeping my hair straight. And also a follow-up video a couple months from now, seeing how the process is going and showing you guys the change, if there is any, and if it's good or bad. And that's all for this video. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I absolutely look forward to seeing you in the next one.